Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the stock called Cryolife Inc. Now as you can read that it has gained 16% on narrow Q1 net loss. Now the company has performed pretty well in the recent quarter and the revenues have been improved. Now this has been a trend in most of the companies, whether you're talking about the small cap, mid cap or the large cap companies, and this is one of those companies which are currently uh, dealing with cardiac and vascular surgery. So as you can see here, the reported net loss of a 3.14 compared to 6.67 million dollars in the past year. So right now, because we are in health crisis, this is an additional advantage that these companies are getting for the time being. Now if you are looking at the stock price action, so this is the long term chart and or the monthly chart. So if you are looking at the price action, you will see an uptrending price pattern, and this is probably giving us the confidence that there is no downtrend or there is no I would say weakness in the stock price. Okay, so if you are looking at the stock price, there is a one-way rise, and as far as the levels are concerned, so because the stock is moving straight on the upside, so you have your big support at 16.87, so don't try to go below 16.87 on the downside. As far as the upside is concerned, you will have your first target at $36.3, and the second target and this is the final target for the time being, that is $44.91. Now why this is the final target is because this is the high that company has made in the year 2001, so it will definitely act as a big resistance. Now there is another way to look at it. If the company's stock itself makes a breakout above $45 and sustain above that, which means if it sustain above this line, after making a breakout, so this is just a situation, and we are not going to decide that because the first two targets we have is 36 and 44.91. That's it. Okay, we are not going to go beyond 44.91 or $45. If the stock itself make a breakout and sustain above that, then it will be a start of a fresh rally, and in that case the levels that we are going to look at will be something like this. So it will be a reverse of the similar price action that has happened from the lower end of the range to the higher end of the range, which means in a simple term that if the stock makes a breakout of $45 and sustain above that, then we will have a big price target which will which will take the stock price towards $400. Now how this figure came, as you can see, I have counted the percentage change from the lower end to the higher end of the range, and the same will happen once the big breakout appears, because this is going to be a 20-year breakout. So this means a lot, specifically in terms of technical analysis. So we have a very interesting scenario, and if there is a breakout, first we are not going to think about breakout. We have, as I told you, we have two specific targets, but if there is a breakout, it will be a big one and you will see a sharp price jump on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.